Good afternoon, everyone. Bill Carey with KV Tricks.
Hello.
Where at? What are we doing?
We are continuing our Branson vacation, and we are currently at Branson Landing. We're gonna do some shopping and drinking.
So we actually parked on the north side of Branson Landing to walk in, and one of the first things you see is there's a steampunk style balloon here that you can ride. And of course there's a directory. I'm gonna go look at this real quick. So this is where we're coming in at on the north side, and it's basically one straight strip is Branson Landing. To kind of give it a comparative type thing, this is kind of like one of those downtown shopping centers, mostly outdoors, kind of like Disney Springs in a sense, Branson version of that. Not exactly sure what this is about. Shipwrecked Interactive Treasure Museum. You read about it. What is it?
I have no idea. I actually can't find out any information besides it's an interactive treasure museum.
Cool. Well, there it is. They got a bunch of shopping, whether it's local stuff or chains, restaurants. A lot of restaurants down here too. So if you're looking for a place to eat, this could be a good place to start. It does look like they have like little shuttles that they can take you from one end to the other. I think those free. Something else here, they have a mirror maze, and we saw about this yesterday. What is this?
It's an indoor corn maze.
Indoor corn maze. Because you saw maze is spelled with an I.
Yep.
So interesting, but they say it's a 7D experience in this place. I don't know what the other 3Ds are supposed to be. They do have a bowling alley, dine play type thing. Seems like it's a miniature version of Dave & Buster's with a bowling alley, if you know what I'm talking about. Across from that is an arcade with video games. And here's kind of a Dave & Buster's type-esque with video games and claw machines and tickets, that kind of a thing. Around the corner from that arcade is a Joe's Crab Shack and a tiki bar. Tiki bar.
Hey.
Tiki bar.
You're copying me. I started that.
No, I started yesterday. This will go down to a walking path down below, and looks like there's a jet boat ride that you can get down there. I'm gonna go check out the tiki bar, see if there's anything that's of interest for us to drink. So this is the river that goes past Branson Landing, and they do have some tours. That's the Branson Duck Tours. Definitely got some newer vehicles for the Branson Duck Tours. And this, oh, there's a fish that just jumped like right about there. This water is incredibly cold. This water comes out of the dam up the road where Table Rock Lake is. And this water is particularly good for fishing for trout because they like the colder water. And I think all this water is like something like 54 degrees all year round because it's so cold from coming out from the base of the dam. This is basically the center of Branson Landing. And down over here they have a fountain show. Fountain's kind of cool normally, but at the top of every hour throughout the day they'll have shows with music and lights, pyro, that kind of thing. We're gonna go check that out. It's about 5 minutes till the next show. Okay, we got a nice seat up front. We're just waiting for the show to begin. The normal water just stopped, so that signals that it's getting ready to go, I believe. This is a nice long walking path that goes along the river. Not exactly sure how far it goes, but have seen runners, walkers, all that kind of thing. What do you think of that of a water show?
I think that, I love coming here and seeing that because it's like, especially because it's a different song every hour, so that it's set up differently. I think it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, we actually came here last night.
We were here last night.
Just pretty much just check out one of the one of the light shows at night. So I'll put some video of that in there. We're gonna continue to make our way south, Branson Landing. Just more shops, more restaurants, that kind of thing. More shops, particularly so far down the second half of the landing. gonna go down another one of these things. This is Guy Fieri's restaurant, and we're gonna go check out the zip line. They have a zip line that goes across the river here. All right, here's the zip line. So this, instead of a harness, they put you in seats. Then oh, there's a couple that are about to go. Yep, they're just putting them into the chairs and wearing seat belts. So you don't have to get in a harness or anything like that for other zip lines. This is all mechanical. There they go. Oh. Not exactly a slow, gentle trip across. It's pretty fast. There you go, they're almost to the top. Oh, here they come. Wow, they are flying. Woo. They seem like they enjoyed it. How far would you say that is? 100 yards at least. You have to be max combined weight of 450 pounds and minimum height is 42 inches. According to the sign, it is $30 for one person to go across or $48 for two. So if you're the only party that wants to go, try to find one other person who wants to go with you. You can split that price. You want to do it?
That's all right.
Pass this time?
Yeah. I mean, I want to do it, but it's the price that's
my dad would do it.
right now.
My dad would totally do it. Apparently my dad's a huge... Yeah, now. I only took him until he was in his mid-70s. Yep. Another option they have here is the landing locomotive. Then here they got a 5 and Dime general store. There is a 5 and Dime, a famous one that's down here. We're going to try to hit that up in a little bit, but here's one. And at the very end is a Bass Pro Shop, not like the one we saw in Springfield, the headquarters. Much smaller, but we think we're going to poke our head in here real quick like. Yeah, this one's not nearly as massive as the one that we were in Springfield. We'll put a link for the Springfield one up in the corner. But nothing to sneeze at. It's still a pretty decent sized shop where you can get all your camping and fishing needs. Hey, hon.
Yes.
I found a new pair of slippers.
I was gonna say, did you find the fish slippers?
The fish slippers.
Yeah, I already saw those.
See, those are awesome.
Yeah.
They're only like 15 bucks.
I was gonna say, you can buy yourself a pair.
What I like is the things here are actually hooks. We're in the back of the store and quite the display. I got some taxidermied animals, and they got a fish tank. Check out the size of some of these fish. Some of these are rainbow trout that you would find in the lake outside, or the river outside that comes out of Table Rock Lake. And then this is the parking lot on the south side of Branson Landing. There's the fish house over there. I'm not sure what that is. And there's another building down that way that looks like it could be a restaurant. I'm not positive. And we're gonna make our way this way because there's something to show ya. Coming up here now is the Branson Scenic Railway. This departs just to the west, Branson Landing. They also have some dinner tours, and to just you can pay for a ride. It's about 2 hours, I believe. We'll put up a link from when we were here in 2017, and we went on the railway for our dinner trip. Here comes one of the Ride the Ducks for Branson. Newer model this year. We're gonna make our way west toward the downtown area. There's the Branson Scenic Railway. That's where its home is at, over here at the station, just across the street from Branson Landing. Well, this is kind of the more downtown Branson area. We're about 2 blocks west of the Branson Landing. And our next stop here, we're gonna go to Dick's 5 and 10. This is the 5 and Dime store, one of the few ones that's still around in the US, and it's a popular place. Just so cool looking, iconic. Kind of go inside. This place is so busy and popular. It's so fun. They got so much stuff in here. It's crazy. And Carrie found something she's looking for. Those are some cute pants. Dog Mom. She's bragging that they're gonna be in her size. Found your size?
I found my size.
Woohoo! Carrie got her souvenir from the trip.
Yep.
You can get your very own Bransonopoly. They have a bunch of games down here. There are some puzzles. And Carrie found a bunch of books. Something for the whole family. Check out all the needle patterns. Again, a lot of stuff. Yarns. That's a craft person's dream in here. Oh, they got a real jukebox back here. That's awesome. It's 7 plays for $1. I can't tell you how much stuff is in here. It just keeps going. It's all over the place. You just kind of have to explore and find your things. Sketchbooks, threads and needle, all kinds of frying pans and skillets and butter things, stuff for the kitchen, gravy boats. It's amazing. Seasonings and other kitchen utensils, whisk, ice cube trays. Honey, I just realized this building's so much smaller than like a Walmart, but it's got like twice as much stuff in it.
Pretty much. Yeah. Yeah.
Check out all the sci-fi stuff. They got all kinds of Marvel and comic type stuff. You can get yourself a gauntlet. Hey, look at that. They got their own 1,000-piece puzzle for Dick's right there. Oh, they got different kind of fishy slippers. They got like rainbow trout versions. There you go. This is so cool. It was kind of fun to come in here and check this out though. There's more downtown all around us. But we're going to make our way back to our Branson Landing and head to our car. All right, so that's a little trip down to downtown Branson and Branson Landing. Did you have a good time, hon?
Had a great time. How about you?
Oh, yeah, great. There's a lot of cool stuff down here. We've been here for about 4 or 5 hours. We got lunch, actually before we even started vlogging, we got lunch. And there are a lot of good restaurants down here, and these stores are amazing. Dick's
5 and 10. I mean, seriously, like if you can't find something in there, you apparently can't find anything in life.
Yeah, so, exactly.
Yeah.
And there's also a lot of other mom and pop type shops around downtown to go check out too. But good place to go hang out and check things out. Restaurants, drinks, bars, that kind of thing, and shops. But anyway, well, thank you for joining us. I'm Bill.
I'm Carrie.
You've been watching KB Treks. Please continue to watch us on our trip here to Branson, Missouri. But until next time, good luck and have fun.
See ya.